So, let me clean this camera real quick. So, is this the last time you guys are going to see the GreenMonstah? No. Is it going to make it to Gap Fest? Probably not. Let's talk a little bit about it, and I'll explain to you guys what's going on with my 2020 Dodge Challenger ScatPack. Now, I love this car. I've done everything from, the headers, the straight pipes, deleting the cats, tuning it. Evidently, I have to get tires, but I may not. I may see if I can make it without putting the tires on it. So, I really didn't want to get rid of this car, but having the Hellcat, the Buick, the Thunderbird, the Suburban, the Tahoe, the two Rams, and another truck that you haven't seen yet, I have too many friggin' cars. So let's discuss. So basically I have too many vehicles, and one of the other things that I want to do is I want to pick up this 2020 Dodge Durango Hellcat. Which is why the car is here. Now the truck is here. I'm about to jump into the truck here in a minute, but we'll pick this up I'll pick this up here in a minute, and we'll keep discussing. But I think I only need really one powerful sports car. I don't need three. All right, guys. So let's talk just a little bit about why I would consider selling the GreenMonstah. And it is because, one, having the other Challenger, two, really wanting that Durango Hellcat. Now, that said, as I said earlier, if they're going to increase production of the Durango Hellcat, then I don't want it. And then at that point, and I'll know all this before I make the decision. At that point, I'll just go 3,500 and get me the big dually truck that I want. Which is why, we started the video, you got to see it, it was raining. It's actually the next day. I'm driving now, and I'm on my way to Las Vegas. I didn't take the truck, no trailer. I'm literally just driving the car. And we're going to roll this thing out to Las Vegas, where it'll get appraised and all of that. Now, I had other people hit me up and say, well, TK, what if I want to buy the GreenMonstah? It will be available. I'm sure Sahara, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep will have it for sale. Like I said, the way it is right now, because there's almost no ScatPacks or anything like that, it's crazy. And you kind of know the history of this car, for those of y'all that might want it. It's got the new upgraded, bigger rear end, Manta clutch, whatever clutch in it, the multi-plate clutch, not the stock clutch. So you got, you can beat on the car and not worry about burning the clutch out. It's got these exclusive ass seats with the color scheme. And the only thing I'm taking off the car is the TK's garage on the back window. I'm not taking anything else off. The stickers and everything stay on the car, and I'm taking the TK's garage off the back. That's pretty much it. So what am I looking to get out of the car? It's gotta be worth it for me. And for me, I'm gonna, the dealer said they're gonna offer me anywhere between $42,000 and 44, depending on after their inspection. So I've had the thing I got when I posted the little clip on Instagram yesterday was, well, what if I want to buy it directly? If you had your own financing or you wanted to buy it directly, you could buy this car for 43. That's what I would sell it for. I know what the dealer's going to do with it. They're going to clean it up. They're going to park it out front because it's a YouTuber's car, which, it's not like my channel's that fucking huge. But they're going to put it out there, and they're probably going to sell this car for 48, 49. It's kind of like gas prices right now, right? Gas prices are high as hell because, especially on the East Coast, because the gas prices are so damn high because the demand is there. There's not enough supply, demand goes up. You know, there's not enough supply, price goes up. Right now, you can't, I mean, there's some places that still got ScatPacks in inventory, but nobody's getting nothing new. If you've gone and checked out, you can go check out Racer X's channel, YouTuber out of Dallas. He does a lot of stuff at dealerships. You know, he'll tell you there's just no inventory. You know, I did a little video, which I'll probably post as a different, you might even see it before this or after this, who knows, you know, doing a thing talking about the supply constraints and that there's no friggin' supply. Like, the dealership was butt naked. It was empty, butt naked. There was nothing. There was like cars or trucks parked across like 3 or 4 spots to try to not make it look so butt naked. But it was butt naked. There was nothing there. No cars. They didn't even have V6 Chargers or Challengers. It was just naked. And I ain't never seen that dealership, Leith, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, look like that. Ever. Never. So that was crazy. But it's the same out here. You know, I went by the Dodge dealership here in Oklahoma City, and same shit, man. No, just nothing. There was nothing there. No ScatPacks, no Hellcats, no nothing, man. And the last one I saw, I mean, like, Crown had a couple. Crown had the what'd they have? Crown had the what do you call it? Crown had the ugly color gold that everybody likes. That was a TA. It was a TA 392 wide body. Like, I know they had that parked out front. It's probably sold by now. But ScatPacks and stuff, forget about it. They're hard as hell to come by. So that's why I'm at where I'm at with it, and why I am considering trading out, getting my money out of this car. Because here's the thing. If I sell this car at 43, if like a subscriber wants to buy it and they buy it at 43, or if I trade it in and a dealer gives me 42 to 44 for it, I basically drove this car for 8 months, had fun at the track, put 26,000 miles on it, and it cost me $0. That's why. You know, prices are really high, demand is real high, and it's not just Dodge. Used car prices, period, because it's not just Dodge. Used car prices, period, are up 10.5% over last month alone. So I'd be an idiot not to try to get my money out of this car. Now, that said, they're going to say, well, what about the Hellcat? Well, what I'm going to do is, when I leave Vegas, I'm going to Dallas and then Houston, but I'm going to Dallas first, and we're going to get the red eye wrapped, or, you know, schemed the same way that my ScatPack was schemed. I want the 01 on the door, I want Nintendo on the top, I want the Irish flag on it, but I'm also going to put like the Punisher logo and an Irish flag on the hood and a couple other things for that car to kind of just make it a little different. It's going to be, you know, that car, I'm gonna really do something different with it, and then I'll start driving that car if I get the Durango. If not, you know, I'll do something else. Like, there's other vehicles in the repertoire right now. There's other vehicles in inventory that you guys have seen that we've been driving, from the BMW, the old school E39, the Buick, something else that I just picked up here in Oklahoma, which that's a whole nother thing. But yeah, it's been crazy. It's going to continue to be crazy, and I'm going to enjoy myself. So, you know, I enjoyed this car. If I end up keeping it, so be it. I might end up keeping it too. I might say screw it and end up keeping it. I might not sell it. You know, I might not sell it. I might not get the numbers I want at Sahara in Vegas. They might not be able to work the deal I want on the Dually or the Durango. Well, the Durango's done. And that's the thing. I'm willing to spend that money on the Durango if the production is limited and that's it. They're not making no more. Then I'm definitely 100% getting it. If they're going to open up the production of this friggin' truck, I'm not buying it. Because I need it to be exclusive. Just like just like the Demon was, right? The reason why the Demons, like, dudes that got Demons and have been driving them for a couple years and haven't racked up a ton of miles. But let's say you got 25,000 miles on a Demon. Yo, they're still getting like 120, 130 for that car all day. And they paid, what, 80, high 80s, low 90s for it. And you got to drive it for a couple years and sell it for more than you got. I mean, that's, you can't ask for anything else than that. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's ridiculous. So for me, you know, if I can get that Durango Hellcat, you know, I can keep it for a couple years. I can drive it. I can keep the red eye put away. And for me, it's kind of like a smart investment move, right? Not really an investment, but it lets me have good content with these Hellcats on the channel for like 2 years. And then I could probably sell the Durango Hellcat for more than I paid for it. And I definitely could sell the red eye for way more than I paid for it. Because at that point, SRT is going to be doing, you know, these turboed 5.7s or the 5.9 or whatever the hell they're talking about doing. And it's not going to be the same. And people are going to be looking for these 700 plus horsepower vehicles, and I'll be able to cash in. So that's my thoughts on it. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I got a long drive ahead of me. You guys will probably see a vlog as a bonus video. Oh, shit. Brakes. Shit. Well, I guess that ends that video. I guess you gotta wait. I guess you're gonna have to wait. Guess you're gonna have to wait for tomorrow for this one. I'm getting pulled over. Anyways, guys, if you liked the video, hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button. Crap! I'll catch you guys on the next one.